Good day, shoppers. Today we're going to be taking a look at the BUBOS Acoustics 24 by 24 soundproofing acoustic panels. Now, as you can see, I've only installed. The best part is that it comes with a manual that tells you exactly how to do it. It comes with this kit that has anchors and screws in it. And so, quick overview of the process. You put the anchor into your drywall and you drive this screw into it. Now, the screw has these 2 points on top that the panels stab into, and they're not going anywhere. It'll take an earthquake to knock these down. And now I really wish I did a compare and contrast take, but I think you can tell when I speak to this side of the room, which doesn't have any panels besides one poster and a bed, you can tell that my sound is bouncing off of these 2 walls here. However, when I turn around, I know I'm not facing the camera, but there's nothing bouncing off of these 2 walls. The painting dampens it, but also these are doing most of the work, because when I took these down, it was still a chamber in this room. And so this is a surprising difference, even for me. Let's try something a little noisier. Nice. I like those. So thank you for considering this product with me. I definitely recommend this for any content creators or streamers, any podcasters, any musicians or producers working from home. If you're looking to tighten up your sound and be more professional, this is the option to go. It's a super hassle-free product with an easy installation and an instruction manual that makes it 10 times easier. And with that aside, thank you.